So this is the Wet n Wild Metallic Eyeshadow Palette. So you are a makeup girl, but do you like shimmer? Do you like metallics?
I like a good shimmer.
So you like everything?
I want to shine. I want people to see me from a mile away.
Only a mile?
From space.
Oh, thank you. There, you came to the right place. Well, now, out of all of these colors here, what is a color you may not have used? Or you may go, oh.
I feel like I stick usually with a lot of like browns and pinks, and some of these purples, greens, blues I don't use as often, I would say.
So you want to do this one?
Let's do it.
Okay. Here we go. And I'm starting on the inner corner of the eye, and we're gonna bring it all the way across and blend it out. So now I'm going in with this shade here.
Ooh.
I'm taking that same brush that I used to apply the primer along the bottom. I'm just going in with that green shadow and just buffing it over it. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of more of that aquata. I'm gonna take that same brush we used on the top. I'm gonna use the side of it and just kind of tap along the bottom.